Hello students, this is Ronita. Welcome to my channel Let's Solve with Ronita. Now see this book. This is latest edition of Concise Mathematics. Now in this book, after each chapter there is a column called Test Yourself. I am going to solve Test Yourself, page number 47. See this page. There is Test Yourself after the chapter Linear Inequations. In this video, I am going to solve this part. There are 10 questions. So without getting further delay, let's start. Okay, so question number 1a, the maximum value of x for the inequation that is given below. Okay, so 4x is less than or equal to 12 plus x. So if you simplify, 3x is less than or equal to 12, that means x is less than or equal to 4. So maximum value will be 4. So option 2. Okay, option 2 will be the correct answer. Next, B, 1b. The minimum value of x for the inequation 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 18 minus 6x. So if you simplify 5 and 6 means 11x, that is greater than or equal to 18 plus 4, that is 22. So x is greater than or equal to 22 by 11, that is 2. So minimum value of x will be x equal to 2, that is option 1. Now question number C, the value of x for the inequation 3x plus 15 less than 5x plus 13, x belongs to z. Now 5x minus 3x, that is greater than 15 minus 13, right? So 2x is greater than 2. So x is greater than 1. Okay, so option 1 will be the correct answer. See the question number D. The real number line for two inequation A and B is given below. A intersection B you have to find out. So A means, see, if I do it here, A means minus 3 is less than x less than or equal to 1, and B means minus 4 is less or equal to x less than 0. Okay, now A intersection B, that means the common part. So minus 3 is less than x less than 0. You cannot take x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 0, because they in case of x equal to minus 3, that is not in A, and x equal to 0, that is not present in B. So you have to consider the common part, I mean minus 3 to 0. So obviously this one will be the answer, this one, option 1. Okay, see both see at x equal to minus 3 and at x equal to 0 there will be hollow circle. Okay, clear? Now next question, question number E. Question number E. See, for inequations A and B as given above in the part. Oh, okay, so same for same A and B, you have to find out A union B. So A union B means either the x belongs to A or B. Okay, A or B, that means you have to consider the entire part. So it will be this one, minus 4 to 1. Yes, this one. Okay, minus 4 less or equal to x less or equal to 1, that will be the A union B. Okay. So if you draw, it will be the first one, this one. This one is the correct answer. Now next one, F. See this question, this is assertion and reason. Okay. Now see, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 less or equal to minus 2x by 3. Okay, if you simplify, first try to simplify it. So minus 9 is less than or equal to minus 4x. Now if you remove this minus, 9 will greater than or equal to 4x. So x will be less than or equal to 9 by 4. Okay. Now see, the largest value of x is 9 by 4. X will be less or equal to 9 by 4. So obviously largest value of x will be 9 by 4. That is true. So assertion is true. Now when the sign of both the side of an inequation are changed, the sign of inequality reverses. That is also true. Okay. So here A is true and R is also true. Clear? A is true and R is also true. Now see the options that you already know. In case of this type of question, assertion reason type of question, first will be A is true and R is false. A is false, R is true. Both are true and R is the correct reason for A, and both A and R are true and R is incorrect reason for A. So if you see the steps, R is the reason for this answer, right? So option D, option 4, this one will be option 3. So option 3 will be the correct answer. A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A. Okay. Now see the question G. Next question G. See, 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 10, where x belongs to n. So obviously this will be the next part, minus 3x, that is greater than or equal to minus 15, and that implies no. See, from this step to this step, if you divide both sides by minus 3, x will be less or equal to 5. X will be less or equal to 5. So the solution set is not correct. See, I am doing it again. Okay. See, 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 10. So minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 10 minus 5, that is minus 15. Okay. Now see, if we divide both the side by 3, you will get both the side by 3. Okay. Minus x is greater than or equal to minus 5, right? Minus x is greater than or equal to minus 5. Now if you omit this negative sign, x will be less than or equal to 5. So that will be the, so A is false. A is false. Okay, A is false. So that means option 2 is the correct answer, but still I am going to check reason R. Okay. See, 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 10. Now if you put the constant term here, 5 plus 10, that is greater than or equal to 3x, that is true. So yes, 5x is less than or equal to 5, and then solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, that is true. So A is false, but R is true. A is false, but R is true. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Now question number H. See question number H. X belongs to W. X is greater than or equal to minus 3 and X is less than 5. Okay, so minus 3 less than or equal to X less than 5. So there will be no solution for the given inequation. X is greater than minus 3 and X is less than 5. So there are solutions 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are the solution. You cannot consider the negative number, but there are positive integer and this 0. They all are whole number and satisfying this inequation. So that will be the solution set. Okay. So statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 1 is false. Okay. Now see, check the statement 2. The real number line for the given equation is this one. No, that is not true. Real number line for the given inequation is not true, because here it is continuous line, but X belongs to W, so you have to consider only those points. Okay. So that is incorrect. If X belongs to R, if the replacement set is R, then you can say that this is the correct answer, but not this one, in this case, not in this case. Okay. So both the statements, statement 1 and statement 2, both are false. So both the statements are false. That will be the answer. Option 2, that will be the answer for H. Okay. Option 2, both the statements are false. So you have to check if when it is statement and statement 1 and 2 in that type of question, you have to check both statement. Okay. Now the question number I. Question number I. See this question. 5 plus x is less than or equal to 2x is less than x minus 2. X belongs to R. Okay. Statement is there. There is no value of x belongs to R that satisfies the given inequation. So you have to compute. First try to compute. Okay. First try to compute. 5 plus x is less than or equal to 2x is less than x minus 2. X belongs to R. Okay. So if you consider this 2, so 5 is less than or equal to x, 2x minus x, that will be x. Now if you consider this 2, then x is less than minus 2. Okay, x is less than minus 2, x is greater than 5. So here both the statements are true. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Okay, option 1 will be the correct answer. Now question number 2. Now question number 2, 12 plus 1 and a 5 by 6x is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. X belongs to R. Okay, x belongs to R. Okay, 12 plus, see, 1 and a 5 by 6. So it means so x is greater than or equal to 6. X is greater than or equal to 6. See question number 3. Given x belongs to whole number, set of whole number, find the solution for the inequation, that is the inequation. Okay, minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Okay, so if you simplify, minus 1 minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x less than 23 minus 3. Okay, so minus 4 is less than or equal to 4x is less than 20. Okay, so if you divide by 4, minus 1 is less than or equal to x less than 5. Okay. Now x belongs to W. So the answer will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Question number 4. Find the set of values of x satisfying this inequation and that equation. And okay, and is there in between two inequation. So 7x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. So if you simplify, 4x is greater than or equal to minus 8. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2 from the first inequation. Now x by 4 minus 5 is less than or equal to 5 by 4 minus x. So x by 4 plus x is less than or equal to 5 by 4 plus 5. 4, 25. Okay. Now minus 3x is less than or equal to 25 by 4. Minus 3x is less than or equal to 25. Okay. Minus x is less than or equal to 25. Clear? That means x is greater than or equal to minus 25 by 3. Okay. Now what it means? 25 by 3 minus 8 and a 1 by 3. That will be minus 8 and a 1 by 3. Okay. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2, মানে minus 2 এর থেকে বড় অথবা সমান, আর x is greater than or equal to minus 8 and a 1 by 3. Now minus 8 and a 1 by 3 is less than minus 2. তাহলে আমরা কোনটাকে চুজ করব? x minus 2 এর থেকে বড় এবং minus 8 and a 1 by 3 এর থেকেও বড়। তো 8 and a 1 by 3 টা তো আবার 2 এর থেকে ছোট হয়। minus 8 and a 1 by 3 is less than minus 2. তাহলে আমরা এইটাই কমন পোর্শন and বলেছে, দুটোই স্যাটিসফাই করে, মানে এটাকে চুজ করব আমরা। Understood? Now another thing is that where x belongs to, see this one, see this condition, x belongs to n, where x belongs to n মানে কি 0 থেকে বড়, মানে 1 থেকে শুরু করতে হবে। এবার 0, if you consider 1 2 3 4, you have to consider x belongs to n, that means 1 2 3 4, that all are satisfying this condition. minus 2 এর থেকে সবকটাই বড়, মানে if you consider the whole set, whole natural number set of natural number, if you consider the entire set of natural number, that will satisfy this inequation. Now see question number 5. X by 2 plus 5 is less than or equal to x by 3 plus 6, where x is positive odd integer. Okay, so if you solve, x by 2 plus 5 is less than or equal to x by 3 plus 6. Okay, so x by 2 minus x by 3, that is less than or equal to 6 minus 5. So it will become 6. 3x minus 2x, that will be x less than or equal to 1. So x is less than or equal to 6. Now see, x is positive odd integer, positive integer and odd integer, odd integer. So you have to start from 1 3 5, that's it. You positive integer means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on, and positive odd integer you cannot consider the even one. Okay, so you have to omit this 2 4 6. Okay, so that will be the answer. Okay, now question number 2. Two x plus 3 by 3 is greater than or equal to 3x plus minus 1 by 4. So 8x plus 12 is greater than or equal to 9x minus 3. So 9x minus 8x is less than or equal to 12 plus 3. So x is less than or equal to 15. Right, 15. Now x is a positive even integer. Positive even integer. So positive even integer. So you have to start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Now see question number 6. Solve the inequation. Inequation is given. See the replacement set. X belongs to W and graph the solution set on a number line. So you have to draw the graph. First you have to simplify the inequation. 6. Question number 6. Minus 2 and a 1 by 2 plus 2x is less than or equal to 4x by 5 is less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. Okay. Now 2 and a minus 2 and a 1 by 2. So it will become 5 by 2 plus 2x is less than or equal to 4x by 5 is less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. Now if you consider this two part, minus 5 by 2 is less than or equal to 4x by 5 minus 2x. Minus 5 by 2 is less than or equal to 5, 4x minus 10x. So it will become minus 5 by 2 is less than or equal to 5, 6x. Okay. 25 minus 25 is less than or equal to minus 12x. So 25 is greater than or equal to 12x. X is less than or equal to 25 by 12. It will be 2 and a 1 by 12. Okay. Now see the next part. 4x by 5 is less than or equal to, so you can put this one to this side. It will become minus 2x is less than or equal to 4 by 3. So 5, 4x minus 10x is less than or equal to 4 by 3. So minus 6x by 5 is less than or equal to 4 by 3. So minus 18x, from here if you cross multiply, minus 18x is less than or equal to 20. So 18x is greater than or equal to minus 20 and x is greater than or equal to minus 20 by 18. So it will become minus 1 and a 2 by 18. Okay. And x, that means x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and a 2 by 18. And here x is less than or equal to 2 and a 1 by 12. Okay. Okay. Now if you draw, if you have to draw this one, but before that see the replacement set. See the replacement set. X belongs to W means you have to consider from x equal to 0. So the solution set is 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So if you draw the number line, it will become this. See, I have drawn this in very short place. See question number 7. Find 3 consecutive largest positive integer. Consecutive largest positive integer. Consecutive 3 consecutive integer, that means x, x plus 1, x plus 2, right? Such that sum of 1/3 of first, x by 3 plus sum of, so you have to add them. 1/4 of second one, x plus 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1/5 of third one, x plus 2 by 5. That is at most 20, at most 20, that means less than or equal to 20. Okay, maximum value of this sum will be that can be 20. Okay, so if you simplify, now 20, 15 and 12, 20 and 15, that means 35, 35 plus 12, so from this inequation we can conclude that x will be 24. Okay, x will be 24. Then the three consecutive integer will be 24, 25, 26. Okay, question number 8. C, solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on number line. So you have to solve it and then you have to represent it. Okay, 4x minus 19 is less than 3x by 5 minus 2 is less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x, x belongs to R. See, সহজ হওয়ার জন্য আমরা এই প্রথম পার্টটাকে নিয়ে কাজ করব. So from the first portion, 4x minus 3x by 5 is less than 19 minus 2. Okay, so 20x minus 3x is less than 17. So this is 17, x is less than 17, so x is less than 5. Okay, from this two part, 3x by 5 minus x is less than or equal to 2 minus 2 by 5. Okay, minus 2x, because that will be minus 5, 3x minus 5x, that will be minus 2x is less than or equal to 8, 10 minus 2, 8. Minus 2x is less than or equal to 8, that means x minus x is less than or equal to 4. Now if you omit this negative terms, it will be, so minus 4 is less than or equal to x less than 5. So if you draw the number line, see here less than or equal to, so darkened circle, and there will be hollow circle and this part. So this is the representation on number line. See, in case of question number 9, first you have to solve this inequation, solve the following inequation and write the solution set. So you have to find out the solution set where x belongs to R, that means the replacement set is R, and you have to represent the solution on real number line. Now see, I have done this. See, 13 minus 5 is less than 15x, 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4. Now in this here we have transferred all the variable terms, 15x minus 13x, 2x that is greater than minus 5, minus 4, okay, minus 9. So x is greater than minus 9 by 2. Now this is 9 by 2 means 4 and a 1 by 2. And from this part, last two part, see 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12. From this part we have deduced that x less than 1, x less than 1. See 15x minus 7x, that will be 8x, and 12 minus 4, that is 8, and so 8x is less than 8, x is less than 1. So if you conclude, this will be your solution set, and if you draw it in on number line, see this one, okay, this point is minus 4 and a 1 by 2, okay, in between, see this is minus 4 and this is minus 5, so in between there will be minus 4 and a 1 by 2, okay, and that will be our solution set, okay, fine. Now the last one, question number 10. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on number line. Okay, now minus 8 and a 1 by 2 is less than minus 1 by 2 minus 4x. So if I proceed to this part, minus 17 by 2 is less than minus 1 by 2 minus 4x. If I remove all the negative symbol, then 7 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2 plus 4x. Now 4x is less than 1 by 17 by 2 minus 1 by 2, so you can do this 16 by 2, that means 8. So x is 4x is less than 8, that means x is less than 2. And the second part, see the second part, minus 1 by 2 minus 4x is less than or equal to 7 and a 1 by 2. So that means minus 1 by 2 minus 4x is less than or equal to 15 by 2. Minus 4x is less than or equal to 15 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 16 by 2, that is 8. So minus 4x is less than or equal to 8. So minus x is less than or equal to 2. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2, and x belongs to I. See, x belongs to I. So minus 2 minus 1, solution set is minus 2 minus 1 0 1, and that is it. You cannot consider 2 because there is less than, strict inequality, okay. Now if you have to represent it on the solution set. So 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now this one, this one, this one, and this one, okay. This is the solution representation, okay.